What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be installing LEDs on a second gen Toyota Tacoma. It's going to be an H4 LED. So it's going to be a super simple process, and stay tuned because we are going to be giving a set away. Doesn't matter if you have a Toyota or not, it's for any vehicle. So if you have a vehicle and you're an owner of one, I would recommend entering into the giveaway because it's really easy to win. Let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so we're going to be installing these on a 2015 Toyota Tacoma. If you have a second gen, it takes an H4 LED. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's inside and then we'll go from there. Alright, so you're going to have, of course, a manual, which we're not going to need. Be one of these if you want to go ahead and sign up to that. Here's your actual LED from Lasfit. So please stay tuned because we are going to be doing a giveaway for any vehicle. First things first is you want to go ahead and open your hood. Alright, so just for the people that don't know how to open your hood, and don't laugh because there's people out there that don't know how to open these. Once you've unlocked it from the inside of the truck, which opens the hood a little bit, there's going to be a little lever in this section here. You want to go ahead and pull it up, and then you can grab your hood and just pull up. And then inside of here there will be a stick like this. You just want to go ahead and bring it up and then lock it in and the hood's up. Super simple, super easy. So really quick, you guys, before we even get into today's install, I just want to let you guys know you guys can win a pair. It doesn't matter what vehicle you have. It's an awesome giveaway. It's really simple to win. So to win, all you got to do is, of course, be subscribed to myself and go and subscribe to Lasfit and go comment on their most recent video. Just say Jesse Rizo sent me. By you putting Jesse Rizo sent me, that's your entry to be able to win. So then I'm going to go ahead and pick a winner in 2 weeks. Once again, just be subscribed to me, be subscribed to Lasfit, go comment on their most recent video, Jesse Rizo sent me. That simple, that easy, and it gives you a chance to win these. Like I said, you do not have to have a Toyota, you can have any vehicle. So first things first is, of course, locating which one your low beam is, or whichever light you are changing. In our case, we're doing the low beams, which is an H4. It's going to be this rubber boot here. So first things first is you're going to notice a brown clip. All you got to do is just push it back and it releases just like that. So once you've released the brown clip like that, that's just the connection for the actual bulb. A key side note is wear gloves, because if you do want to keep your bulbs as spares, you want to wear gloves, because if you don't, the oil on your fingers will pop it. So that's just a side note. Alright, so after removing that, you're going to notice there's a rubber boot right here. So all you got to do is just pull it back and it should just release. Nothing too hard. So once you've released it just like that, it's going to be kind of hard to see on camera, but inside there is a little pin that's holding it in. So all you got to do is just push in, pull up, and it releases. So that's the clip right there. After that, you just pull back the bulb. It's not held in anymore, and it releases just like that. Super easy. You go ahead and grab your brand new LEDs, and you remember the boot that we took off. You're going to want to save that. So we're going to be using that to be installing it onto the brand new LED. So you're going to notice you can't just slide it over. There's no way of getting it through. To be able to put this boot through the LED, you're going to need to either get a good pair of gloves or maybe just a rag. So right here, you're going to notice there's a little pin pushed in right there, and over here there's going to be slots. So you're going to want to get that pushed in pin into the slot there. So we're going to go ahead and turn it. Now it's in the slot. You're going to hear it click, and now you can remove it just like that. So once you've done so, now you could go ahead and put the boot right over. So once you put the rubber boot over, now you can go ahead and put this back. So all you got to do is align that slit right there with this. Once it's aligned, now you just want to go ahead and twist just to lock it in place. Alright, it's not going to fall off anymore. We're good. Now we can go ahead and install it. So a pro tip. So you're going to notice this curve on the bottom. There's no curve on the top. So this curve on the bottom, you want to make sure it stays towards the bottom. The reason why is because that way the output can be correct. If you flip it over like this, the output is going to be facing to the top, and you're going to be blinding other drivers, and you do not want that. So keep it this way, and now all you got to do is just insert it into the hole. Make sure your clip is to the side. Another tip, you're going to notice there's 3 of these little slots on it. When you're looking inside, you're going to see where those insert. It's not hard at all. It's pretty simple. Once you have it aligned, now you can put the clip back over the bulb to lock it in place. And you got to remember to put that silver pin back where it goes. Once you've done so, now you can just go ahead and pop the rubber boot back to its location. And you want to go ahead and grab your new connection. and your stock connection and just connect them. So before doing anything else, we're gonna go ahead and test it, make sure it works. If it does work, you wanna do the same exact steps to the opposite side. All right, so keep in mind it is during the day right now, it is morning, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you. That side is the stock halogen, and this side is the brand new LED from Lasfit. So of course, we're gonna go ahead and get night shots for you so you can see how it looks at night, but I wanted to show you guys this. Remember, this is during the day. So that's of course the Lasfit side, and this is going to be the stock halogen. So you can see the output on the Lasfit is a lot bigger, wider, and it's white. So it looks a lot better. It's going to help you see at night. As I stated, for the opposite side, it is going to be the exact same steps. The only difference is you have to remove this bolt here and this bolt back here to be able to push this back a little bit to be able to get the LED inside. Just like that. Alright, so now with both installed, of course it's during the day so you can't see it. This is from far away. If you guys liked today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to enter in today's giveaway. And it's honestly pretty cool, super easy to win. That's for any vehicle. See you guys next time. Peace.